Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Polar H10 with Polar Beat. First, make sure your Polar H10 heart rate sensor is charged and properly positioned on your chest. Next, download and install the Polar Beat application on your smartphone. Finally, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled before opening the app. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection process. Once your preparations are complete, open the Polar Beat application on your smartphone. From the main screen, locate and tap on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Within the settings menu, you will find an option labeled HR sensor or heart rate sensor. Tap on this to proceed to the next step of connecting your device. After selecting the HR sensor option, the app will begin searching for available heart rate sensors. Your Polar H10 should appear in the list of detected devices. Tap on your H10 and then select Pair to initiate the connection. You might see a confirmation prompt on your phone. Accept it. The app will then indicate a successful connection. To verify the connection, look for your live heart rate data displayed prominently within the Polar Beat app. This confirms that your H10 is actively transmitting information. Remember to keep the sensor securely fastened for the most accurate readings during your activities. With your Polar H10 successfully paired and connected, you are now ready to begin tracking your workouts with precision.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.